you're constantly hearing if that's too expensive or feeling nervous about raising your prices, this is for you, because undercharging is keeping you stuck.
And we know what that feels like. We used to sell our knowledge for just £15, even though the people who actually took action made thousands from it. But we had a huge mindset block about charging for what was in our heads.
And if that sounds familiar to you, stick around, because we're breaking down exactly how to price your services the right way so you can start making what you're actually worth.
Hi, we're Roxy and Katie, wedding business coaches, helping wed pros like you build a profitable, sustainable business, one that attracts premium clients and attracts paying customers that you deserve.
And today we're talking all about pricing, because if you're undercharging, you're not just making less money, you're holding back your entire business.
Let's be real. When you undercharge, you attract the wrong clients, ones who haggle, ones who expect the world for pennies, and who honestly drain your energy.
And it's just a vicious cycle, because the more you charge low, the more you feel like you can't charge more. You start believing that people won't pay that much, when really the right people will, if you position yourself correctly.
Exactly, and here's the thing, clients don't value what they don't invest in. If your prices are too low, people assume you're less experienced, less valuable, or just not as good.
Think about it, right? If you see two wedding photographers, one charging 500 and one charging 3,000, who do you assume is better?
The £3,000 one, right? Because price isn't just about cost, it's about perceived value. And when you charge more, you actually attract better clients, the ones who trust your expertise and aren't questioning every penny.
But we get it. It's scary to raise your prices. You think, what if no one books me? And that's why today we're giving you a 3-step formula to price yourself confidently.
Okay, let's get into it. Here's how to stop pulling prices out of thin air and actually charge what you are worth.
So step 1, you need to calculate your real costs. Most wedding pros only think about the actual event day, but what about your marketing, consultations, admin time? Your price should cover everything, not just the time you're physically at the wedding.
Step 2, price based on transformation, not time. Couples are not paying for hours, they're paying for expertise, a stress-free experience, and a once-in-a-lifetime memory. When you charge based on value of what you do, not the time it takes, your pricing completely changes.
And step 3, add a profit margin. You're not just charging to get by, you need to charge in a way that lets your business grow. Factor in a profit margin that allows you to reinvest in your business.
Because let's be honest, if you're just covering costs, you're not actually making profit, and that's how businesses get stuck at the same income level for years.
So we want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to pricing right now? Drop it into the comments and let's chat about it.
If this hits home for you, make sure to follow for more wedding business strategies just like this.
And if you want to go even deeper into pricing, packaging, and positioning your services for premium clients, we've got something big coming soon. So make sure you stay tuned.